Hello friends! In today's video, I'll guide you on how to choose the best subjects as a BS software engineering student. I know this video came a little late, I was quite busy, but trust me, it's going to be very informative and super helpful for you. As you know, course selection is now open and will close on 17th April, so the big question is, which subjects should we choose that will actually help us in the future? First, let's talk about the compulsory subjects. You must select these. There's no option to skip them. CS201 and CS201P, ENG201, MTH202, MTyper01. Now we have a choice for two optional subjects. ISL202 for Muslim students, or ETH202 for non-Muslim students, MGT301 or MGT503. Let's talk about the second one, MGT301 versus MGT403. The better choice for software engineering students is definitely MGT503. Why? Because it teaches us management, leadership, and teamwork skills, which are essential in the software industry. On the other hand, MGT301 is designed more for business students, and it won't be as useful for us. So yes, go with MGT503. I hope this video helped you in making the right decision. Let me know in the comments if you have any confusion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.